This is a three-way diverter. It has a rotatable female thread that is used to attach the shower arm. Next, we use Teflon tape to wrap just 3 to 4 turns around the shower arm. Take out the diverter. This end attaches to the shower arm. And then put a cloth pad at the female nut. Put a wrench on the tab and tighten it. Next is the extension arm. Unlocking the knob of the extension arm, the angle could be adjusted. The female threaded end can be adjusted in the same way. There is also a washer in the female thread. Make sure the washer in this nut is present before installing. Connect the female threads of the extension arm to the male threads of the diverter. And then it's the same with this cloth and this wrench to tighten it. Don't forget the other end. Adjust the angle of the male thread by the knob here. Next is the rainfall showerhead. Remove the cover before installing, and then check to see if the sand filter is in there. Rotate it and tighten it with the wrench. When you feel the angle is not suitable, you could unlocking the knob to adjust to your favorite angle. Take the stainless steel hose and remove the protective case. Inside the case there are 2 other protective covers which also need to be removed. There are washers in these 2 ports, and remember to check them. And these 2 ports are connected to 2 different places. The end with the black ring on the outside connects to the hand shower. Okay, it's installed. Let's look at its length. The length is 72 inches. Screw this end of the patterned hose to the diverter. Make sure the washer is in it. Also, make sure you tighten it. Okay, now put the handheld shower head into the shower holder. Adjust the angle. Oh my goodness, unbelievable feeling. I really love this rain shower effect.